Why they voting on the single, dog? Fucking shit. $1 Million Man? Nigga, that shit hit hard, nigga. That shit hit hard, nigga. Everybody loving that shit, dog. I'm $1 million man. I'm $1 million man. I'm $1 million man. Hey, hold on, cuz. Hey, let me hit you back, nigga. I got motherfucking company, man. Yeah, you motherfuckers recording me and shit. Yeah, nigga. Fucking YouTube, man. Y'all motherfuckers gonna have to wait. Hey, hold on. Hey, what's up? Nah, nigga, let me hit you back, man. You motherfuckers looking at me and shit. All in my house and shit. Alright, yeah. What's up, dog? What it is? MySpace, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Lil Nard, you know what I'm talking about? Doing it, you know what I'm saying? Up in Old Town right now, nigga. Be in Duval soon, you know what I'm saying? Y'all check out the MySpace, myspace.com/motherfucking forgot that shit. Nigga, I'm fucked up. Look at it. Nigga, I'm gone, nigga. Nah, for real though. myspace.com/Duval904404ATL. Again, that's myspace.com/Duval904404ATL. And check out your boy Lil Nard. When you go on my page, you know what I'm saying? Vote for the $1 Million Man song, cause that shit's the hit. That's the motherfucking best song in Duval, nigga. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. Lil Nard, nigga, running Duval, my nigga. That nigga Fatal, my dog Young Cash. Shout out, nigga, you know what I'm saying? All my niggas doing it big, nigga. Duval County, nigga. Hey, pour that motherfucking liquor up for that shit, boy. That's how we doing it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. Hey, check this out, though, man. You know what I'm saying? Baby mama ain't here right now, dog, so finna go ahead and enjoy this motherfucking day, nigga. Pour that fucking shit up for motherfucking Duval. Smell it on the nigga, you know what I'm saying? Hey, let's get it, dog. Hey, y'all vote for a nigga, man. Y'all be on the nigga MySpace. Check that motherfucking shit out, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? For real. Let's get it, dog. 2008, nigga. 2009, baby. Vote for a nigga, boy. Vote for a nigga. You know what I'm saying?